Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy crypto on Binance. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Binance.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Here, navigate to the Trade tab at the top and a menu will appear. Now select P2P from inside of it and a notice will appear. Simply close it and then start by selecting the currency. After that, enter the amount, and when you are done, click on the Payments button and choose the preferred method form inside of it. After selecting it, select your region and then look for an advertiser who has a 100% completion rate. Now click on the Buy button and enter the amount you want to pay. After that, the conversion will be done in real time. After you are satisfied with it, select Buy USDT and you are good to go. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.